My question is, being an entrepreneur, looking back, may mga bagay ka ba na mga parang pinagdaanan na mahirap when you're setting up your business? What are those? And paano mo siya nalagpasan? And second question would be, meron ka bang isang bagay na babaguhin when you set up a business?
Probably with setting up our Anridobo restaurants. I am so fortunate that my greatest supporter is my husband. That's Ryan's brainchild. And my brother-in-law, Kuya Dolly, and his wife, apat kami. We set it up, and it was a fun experience. It was a very fun experience. Challenges would be from the construction and the basics. But the real challenge, because we opened both branches of Anridobo ng 2019, pandemic hit ng 2020. Hindi pa kami nakakaisang taon sa industriya ng food business. Then pandemic hit. Lahat naman tayo, when pandemic happened, we thought it's going to be over in 2 weeks. We don't have plans. We had to pivot. We have cast members. We call them cast members because we train them to be, mag-show while they're cooking. Anyway, the only goal at that time was hindi tayo magdadagdag ng tao mawawalan ng trabaho. We will keep pushing. We will pivot to this. We will find ways so that online selling kami. Nag-create ako ng mga grab-and-go items like frozen food kasi yun yung nauso before during the pandemic. I had to recreate different types of items for Anridobo that's more budget-friendly. I learned a lot from it. Yes, nag-aaway kami ni Rai. Kumbaga, came to a point, sasara na ba natin to? Huwag muna, kailangan pa ng trabaho ng mga tao. Because that was the same time that natanggalan din ng license ang ABS. So my heart was really broken at the time. And talaga ang goal lang is, hindi tayo magdadagdag ng taong mawawalan ng trabaho kasi ngayon pa na nasa pandemya tayo. We will help. We will continue to fight. So that's one. Second, ano nga po yun?
Sorry. Kung mayroon kang babaguhin kung mayroon kang babaguhin sa pag-set up po ng business, what would that be?
Yes. Probably just a bigger location for our Taft branch. I mean, marami na it is a learning process, and it still is a learning process. Kumbaga, hanggang ngayon marami pa rin kami natututunan, marami pa rin kami na-realize na achievable pala, kaya pala. Siguro, wala akong masyadong babaguhin when it comes to setting up the business because lahat naman kami, we're only first-timers. We're all first-timers when it comes to setting up Anridobo. It's just that we were overwhelmed with the amount of people who supported our first branch in Taft at that time. We didn't have a commissary. Our master sauce, ako yung gumagawa sa bahay. Up until now, I still do that. People were lining up. Siguro yun nga, kung may babaguhin man ako, siguro mag-set up ako na mas maayos na waiting area. Kasi maliit na talaga yung area namin or mas malaking location. But the experience, the struggles, the birth pains, I'd love to do that all over again.
Last na, sorry.
Sige po.
Being a brand ambassador of Tala, what can you, yung message mo sa mga future entrepreneurs out there?
This is your chance. This is your chance to showcase your talent because you already have a partner. May partner na kayo sa buhay na pwede kayo suportahan at tulungan sa pangarap nyo. Bibigyan na nila kayo ng pagkakataon na matupad ang mga pangarap nyo paunti-unti. They will guide you every step of the way. And what I really love about Tala is walang hidden fees. Ang dami na nating tax. Puro-puro tayong tax sa buhay natin. We don't need that hidden fees anymore. It's very transparent. It is what we need now. Some change is nice. It's very refreshing to know and learn na, my gosh, may isa palang app na pwede silang maging honest lang. What we need now is honesty. What we need is pure help and pure support from a company that will guide you for for every step of the way, be it for your business, be it for your studies, be it for your travel plans. But then again, my advice at the end of the day is, be realistic. Take a risk, but be realistic. Know and be mindful of how much you're going to borrow. But then again, Tala app will tell you the realistic amount where you can start. And then from there, if you're able to pay it in the span of days that they'll give you, then it will increase. So, ganun din naman sa pagkakaibigan, hindi ba? O, pautahin mo na kita ng 1,000, bayaran mo ako next week. Pag binayaran niya ako next week, susunod ako lang niya, pwede na 2,000 kasi nabayad siya.
Marunong magbayad.
At marunong magbayad, hindi tumatakbo. I mean, it is very convenient to use. We don't want apps or lending services na tatakotin ka pa para ka pa magbayad. Hindi ako naman yung pinaka naka-experience yan, but I've heard so much stories na nangyari yan sa mga kakilala ko na umiiyak sila sa akin kasi may nag-message na sa kanila na threatening na yung bahay nila, i-divulge yung secret ng pamilya niya, yung huwag namang ganun, di ba? Huwag tayo dumating naman sa puntong ganun kasi napaka hindi makatao. Pero maging realistic tayo. Doon tayo sa kaya natin bayaran para magawa natin yung gusto natin sa buhay because lahat ng pangarap achievable eh. Again, nasa sa'yo yan kung paano mo sisimulan. And Tala is here to help.
Thank you very much. So grabe, we got financial advice, career advice, parental advice, lahat na from Miss Judy Ann. I think it's crystal clear that they've chosen the best ambassador. Yes! Congratulations, Miss Ian Moritz as well. I think you've chosen so well. And for anybody else that has questions, feel free to send it over to their social media pages. Moritz will personally answer them in Tagalog to practice his Filipino skills. Isang mas kapong palakpakan muli!